Hi third graders, it's Mrs. Shea here. So we're on our second video of the week. We're talking about kilometers and meters. So we already talked about meters and centimeters, but now we're going to be talking about something a little bigger. So when we use meters and kilometers, we just were talking about meters, but kilometers are ways that we measure distance. So the key to getting all of your problems correct is using this key right here. 1 kilometer is going to equal 1,000 meters. So this is our meter in reference for your visual. This is how big a meter is. Well, a kilometer is 1,000 of these. So this is a meter. We need 1,000 meters to make just 1 kilometer. So we're going to measure some distance right now around a running track. So if I had a running track, here's my running track. And my running track is 400 meters around the whole thing. And I run 3 times around the running track. So I'm going to multiply 400 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. We add the zeros. So 1,200 meters. Well, we need to know how many kilometers and meters we ran around the track. If we know that 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer, we know that 1,200, how many 1,000s are in 1,200? Just 1. So that means there's 1 kilometer. And then this chunk is just your meters. So it's 1 kilometer, 200 meters. So I ran around the track 1 kilometer and 200 meters. I didn't actually do that, but I should. Good exercise. So our next problem, we're going to write in kilometers from meters. So we're going to use our meters and we're going to translate that into kilometers. So if I have 1,830 meters, and I want to find out how many kilometers is that? Well, I'm going to do the same thing I just did. I have 1,830. So if 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer, I know I only have 1 kilometer, right? And then I have 830 meters left over. So 830 doesn't give us another kilometer because it's not enough. We need at least 1,000, but we have 1,000 over here. So we're doing the opposite. We could write in meters instead of kilometers. So if I have 1 kilometer, 600 meters, and I want to write this in just meters, well, I know that 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So this is 1,000. 1,000 meters plus another 600 meters. And they're asking me to just write it in meters. So I'm going to add 1,000 plus 600, which equals 1,600 meters. All right. You guys following along? One more problem. We're going to subtract now. We're going to find the value of 1 kilometer minus 5 meters. Well, we know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So we have 1,000 meters minus our 5 meters. Well, if you want to do that in your head, you can, or you can do it with me on the board here. I have 1,000 meters minus 5 meters. Well, we can't do 5 minus 0. We can't do that. So we're going to come over here. We're going to come all the way over here to our 1. We're going to borrow and make a 9, and make another 9, and make our 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 0 is 9. And 9 minus 0, or nothing, because there's nothing there, is 9. So 1,000 meters minus 5 meters is going to equal 995 meters. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it helped you learn more about kilometers and meters and how to translate them together. So I hope you guys reach out to me if you have any questions. Otherwise, hopefully we'll be seeing you soon.